Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Kingston SSD using Kingston SSD Manager step by step clearly. Launch the Kingston SSD Manager application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official Kingston website. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. Once the application is open, you will see a list of detected Kingston SSDs. Select the SSD you want to authorize. In the main menu, locate the Tools option. Click on Tools to reveal additional settings. From the drop-down menu, select Firmware Update. Check if there is a firmware update available for your SSD. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. After the firmware is updated, navigate back to the main interface. Next, find the Drive Properties section for your selected SSD. Click on Drive Properties to open detailed information about the SSD. Locate the Authorization option within the Drive Properties. Select the Authorize button to begin the authorization process. You may need to enter any required admin credentials during this step. Once you initiate authorization, the process will take a few moments. You will receive a notification when the authorization is complete. Review the status on the main interface to ensure successful authorization. Your Kingston SSD is now authorized for use. You can now access additional features available only for authorized drives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.